Hi guys, I'm Carrie Wilvings here at the Abaco Club on Winding Bay, a private club here in the Bahamas. Come on, because we're going to show you why this is a spot that absolutely lives up to the hype.
The Abaco Club is a kids and a grown-ups playground, and it's just the most fantastic place on earth.
This private sporting club is intentionally secluded without any resort-style buildings, instead focusing on more private accommodations.
Our visitors to the club have a few choices. One is the cabanas. We have 20 beautiful cabanas that are right across from the beach. They're about 700 square feet and just delightful. The cottages that you can see behind me, several of them are in the rental pool, and those are available in 3 and 4 bedroom styles. And then there's big grand estate homes that are spectacular in every way. It's a good old-fashioned community.
Once here, it's easy to see why this golf course consistently ranks #1 in the Bahamas.
It's described as a Scottish tropical links, which no other course in the world, to my knowledge, is described in such a way. Certain holes take you down to Winding Bay, which is behind me, others out to the Atlantic Ocean. It's just indescribable.
On hole number 5, it is one of our most scenic holes. It has a view of Winding Bay. It was ranked in the top 5 by CNN in the world. Some of our best views are on the back 9 on the last 4 holes. On 15 through 18, we have a great view of the ocean, and you're playing alongside these cliffs, and it's just breathtaking. It has a lot of deep pot bunkers, and the greens are very undulated. 2-putting on these types of greens are quite an accomplishment. For your everyday golfer, you're going to get a different experience every time you come out.
The club offers weekly clinics to coach members and guests on grip, posture, and technique.
Off course, the offerings are just as incredible.
The club is a sporting club based on that, and a lot of that deals with health and fitness and outdoors. Some of our offerings, in addition to golf, include a full-service spa, fitness, of course, the boating, and then there's everything else. There's every beach toy you can imagine, from paddle boards and kayaks to sun fishes and sailboats and everything in between.
My favorite activity at the club was paddling over to Sugar Key, where you can feel like you are king or queen of your own private beach. In the water, keep an eye out for sea turtles and plenty of fish. An electric catamaran is also available and sent me into true relaxation mode. Staff will also set up excursions like boat tours off property. On ours, we visited spots like Hopetown, a spot with a quaint village vibe, and also Great Guana Key, home to famous Nipper's Beach Bar and Grill, a true Bahamian dive bar. The highlight of this tour, though, was swimming with wild pigs on a private beach that is only accessible by boat. When it comes to dining, Flippers, a tiki-style bar, is open daily for breakfast and lunch, serving favorites like conch quesadillas. For drinks, there are Bahamian beers and a lineup of classic Caribbean cocktails.
And we'll do a lot of specialty theme events. Our Bahamian Rib Night and Rake and Scrape, where we offer fresh ribs, chicken, and fish off the grill. But along with that is we have live entertainment where people get up and dance to Bahamian style music, and everybody just has a great time.
The meal that really impressed, though, was dinner at the Cliff House. Here you will find everything from imported meats to just caught seafood.
Some of the local fishermen will text me throughout the day of what their catch is, and if I want it or what we'd like to bring in, mahi-mahi and wahoo.
Now that I've experienced the exclusivity of a private sporting club, it's easy to see why resort beach vacations don't cut it for everyone anymore.
To plan your trip to this peaceful Bahamian sanctuary, visit abacoclub.com.